Ladies, don't skip this video. The workout you're watching is for you too. At Body Game University, we use body weight and light weights to perform all exercises, which results in achieving our fitness goals. Do you want the body you deserve? If so, keep watching and subscribe to Body Game University for more workouts, motivation, and personal support for your body transformation journey. You won't regret it. Here are a few workout tips. Number 1, make sure that you're taking deep breaths during and after each exercise. Number 2, concentrate on squeezing your ab muscles during each exercise to strengthen your core. Lastly, focus on technique so that you don't get injured, and so that you receive the best result from your workout. You're doing great. We're halfway through our workout. Keep taking deep breaths during each rep, stay focused on technique, squeeze those abs, and keep accelerating your body transformation. We're about to finish our workout. Now's the time to give it all you got and finish up strong. Make sure to check out our other workout videos at the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. Until our next workout, thank you for joining us at Body Game University.